Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create Cruella De Vil hair tutorial. For this tutorial I'll use some synthetic fiber kanekalon hair. I think this is such a cheap version. I have here black and blonde kanekalon synthetic fiber. But of course you can use whitish color, it will look even more like Cruella. We'll divide all our hair into two equal sections and then we will divide our kanekalon hair like I'm showing, folding it. Now you want to section your hair and tie it with clear elastics like I'm showing, depending on how much kanekalon sections you have. So many ponytails you'll make. I hope that this makes sense. So you want to make this on both sides. Now you want to open all of these elastics and bring kanekalon hair through it. That's why I suggested to fold it, so it will be easier for us. So when our kanekalon is in place, you want to make a simple Dutch braid incorporating and our hair and synthetic fiber hair as well. So you make sure to braid it until your last ponytail of half of your hair, like that. And at this point you want to tie it with a clear elastic. Now you want to select your hair and braid it in the back like I'm showing. Then you want to make openings through your braid created already and bring your braid from all your hair like I'm showing and pin it in place. If you have longer hair, make sure to wrap it several times around it and pin it in place, of course, too. And now you want to repeat the same steps with your blonde or your whitish kanekalon or synthetic fiber hair. At this point you can see clearly that my blonde hair is a little shorter, so later on I'll add some more longer hair. So this is kind of a mistake, so make sure that both sections and white and black as well is the same length, okay, and thickness as well. Guys, I did tested my hair at the lowest setting of my curling iron and I'll suggest you to do the same before making these braids, okay? This way you make sure that your hair will stay in place. And one more thing, synthetic hair doesn't hold the curls until you hold it like I'm showing. When it's hot as well too, you can use some bobby pins to fix them in place before releasing them. Now you want to kind of brush and fluff up your kanekalon hair so it will look more realistic. And when you do that, you make sure to place little by little hair where you want to see it. Okay, on one. So I'll do some bangs here, and I'll fix them with bobby pins and braids at the base of our braid, so when our hair is braided it's easier to fix it in place. So you want to do these steps little by little on both sides, so this way we'll hide our hair and we'll spread these curls on all our head. You can use some hairspray to fix in place your hairstyle, of course, too. I'll give my Cruella De Vil look a bang haircut because I feel that my black bang is a little too long, like that. So basically that's it. I hope that you enjoyed today's Halloween hair tutorial. I think you'll be okay with your makeup because you can do your best. Darker better, and red lips of course too. But if you want a makeup tutorial as well, make sure to let me know in comments down below. But that's it for today, guys, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye.